Hello students, let us start doing some more practicing on slicing. Suppose this one is the matrix containing 5 rows and 5 columns like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15 up to so on 41, 42, 43, 44 and 45. These are the values. It comprises of 5 rows and 5 columns. You can print here A1 dot shape 5 into 5 rows and 5 columns are there. Suppose we have to select some of the items and show them on the screen. Let us try to print. I will print some of the items. You can practice later on, and if you have any query, you can comment in the comment section. Suppose I write 1, 0, column 3. Inside A1, let us print this. The values are 11, 12 and 13. Let us show these values only. These are the values 11, 12 and 13. So what is the meaning of this? Basically it's the second row and elements, first 3 elements are there. Now what is the meaning of 1? 1 stands for, this value is basically 1. 0, sorry. This value is 0. 0th row. It's first row, second row, third row and fourth row. The row number, if I write here, the rows are from 0 to 4. Similar is the case with columns. Columns are from 0 to 4. And inside square bracket, if I am using square bracket here, then inside square bracket, let's change. So that you can see clearly. The first value is row and second value is column inside square bracket. This value. Outside, if array is there. These are the contents. Now what is the meaning of 1? Basically 1 stands for second row, and what is the meaning of 0 to 3? It means, if I am explaining here, inside square bracket, what are the values? First one is second row and second is 0 to 3. It means 0, 1 and 2. These are the columns. Hope you understand the content. Second row and columns 0, 1 and 2. It means first, second and third column. Second row, first, second and third column. That's why 11, 12 and 13 are there. Suppose I write here 1. Now what is the meaning of this? It means column first and second. Column first and second, index. Basically column number 2 and 3 is there. Let us execute. 12 and 13. Second row, column number 2 and 3. Second row, column number 2 and 3. It means 12 and 13 are there. Suppose I write only 1. And what will be the output? It means the value from 12 to 15 up to so on. Whatever the values are there, it means the starting point is 1 and the last is the ending point, because ending point is not given. Basically, it's how we display the value. Suppose I write print. Here you can change. Suppose I write 3 like this. Now what is the meaning of this? Let us execute only this line. This one. What is the meaning of this? 3 and then colon is there. It means it is the fourth row. First, second, third and fourth. Fourth row is 31 to 35. It means I am displaying all the contents of fourth row. What is the meaning of 3? It means 3 is an index. It means fourth row is there. Let us try one more. Later on, you can work with all the contents. Suppose I write 2, 2, what will be the output now? Any idea? You can try on copy, you can try on your system. What will be the output? Okay. Let us execute and check the output. This is the output. 21, 23, 25, 41, 43 and 45. Now what is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of 2? 2 means the third row. Third row is this. 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25. And last value is not given. It means all the values are there. What is the meaning of this 2? It means the step of 2 is there. First value is 21, then 23, then 25. What is the meaning of this? It means starting from this value, dumping of 2 is there. It means next row is fifth row. This one is the third row and this one is the fifth row. And same condition will be applied. The condition is 41, 43 and 45. Let us try one more. Suppose I write 2 colon comma 3 colon. Now what will be the value? Let us execute. Check the output. 24, 25, 34, 35. These values are there. These values. Only these values. What is the meaning of this? 2 colon. It means third row onwards. All the rows are there. Third row. This one. These rows. What about the values? Third column. Fourth column. Third row and fourth column. Third row and fourth column onwards. This point is there. Third row and fourth column. Onwards, all the values are there. It means 24, 25, 34, 35, 44, 45. Suppose I am writing here 5. Check the output. Again the values are same. Because up to 5 the content are there. Suppose I am writing 4. It means you can display only these values. These 24, 25, 34 and 35. These 4 values are there. It means you can display the selected items according to your choice. Hope you understand the content of more on slicing. Practice on your system. If you find any problem, please comment.